A fresh political battle has erupted over fuel prices in India, with the opposition questioning whether recent relief measures are actually benefiting the public. Senior Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala has accused the central government, led by Narendra Modi, of misleading citizens by announcing a reduction in excise duty on petrol and diesel. Speaking at a press conference in Bengaluru alongside Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar, Surjewala claimed that the move is more about headline management than actual relief. The centre recently reduced excise duty by 10 rupees per litre on both petrol and diesel. However, Surjewala argued that this cut primarily benefits oil companies rather than consumers, alleging that the government may recover the money through other means. He also issued a strong warning, claiming that after upcoming assembly elections, petrol and diesel prices could rise by as much as 20 rupees per litre and cooking gas prices by up to 500 rupees. In a sharp attack, he highlighted that fuel prices have significantly increased over the years. According to him, petrol prices have risen from 71 rupees per litre in 2014 to over 100 rupees today, while diesel has climbed from 56 rupees to over 90 rupees. Surjewala further alleged that the government has collected massive revenue running into lakhs of crores through taxes on fuel over the past decade, placing a heavy burden on ordinary citizens. The BJP, however, has consistently maintained that tax adjustments are necessary to balance economic pressures and global factors, especially during geopolitical tensions like the Iran conflict. For everyday citizens in cities like Bengaluru, where fuel costs directly impact commuting and cost of living, the debate raises an important question. Are fuel price cuts truly easing the burden or just shifting it elsewhere?
Friends, the vicious design of the BJP government, I said right in the beginning, is to increase price of petrol, diesel and gas on 9th April / 23rd April when the elections conclude. You will say, how do you know that? Well, that's our past experience. And let me give you 3 examples. Modi government came to power in 2014. Delhi Assembly election February 2015, sir. On 8th February, they raised the price of petrol and diesel. As you vote, they increase the price of petrol, diesel and gas. This is not the only example. In 2019 general elections concluded on 19th of May 2019. Modi government raised the price of petrol and diesel when? On 20th of May, the very next day. That's the past experience. In 2022, Uttar Pradesh and many other states went to polls. The polling happened on 10th of March 2022. Modi government increased the price of petrol and diesel on 22nd March 2022, and not once, but 14 times in 16 days. They increased. During Congress government in May 2014, it is 913 rupees today, an increase of 121%. While the price of gas, what we call the LPG price, that has gone down from 880 US dollar per MT to 540 US dollar per MT, a decrease of almost 39%. But the price has more than doubled. In addition, the price of commercial LPG during Congress government was 1,541 per cylinder. 1 April, there will be no increase in gas. That is the demand of Mr. Siddaramaiah. That's the demand of Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. That's the demand of 144 crore Indians. And Prime Minister must come forward and answer to the nation.